Indian troops in the latest act of state terrorism martyred 3 Kashmiri youth in the Jammu district. The youth were killed by the troops during a cordon-and-search operation in the Akhnoor area of the district. Earlier, an Indian army vehicle was attacked during a search operation in the same area on the Monday morning. Indian troops, along with the personnel of the Central Reserve Police Force, arrested a youth identified as Ishfaq Majeed in the Unisoo area of the Kupwara district. The youth was arrested on the false charge of being an overground worker. Delegation from the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Kashmir chapter submitted a memorandum to the United Nations office in Islamabad urging the international intervention to prevent the ongoing grave human rights violations, unilateral annexation of the occupied territory to India, and the demographic changes. In London, Kashmiris, Pakistanis and the supporters led by Tehreek-e-Kashmir UK's Fahim Kayani gathered to raise global awareness to India's ongoing actions in occupied Kashmir in connection with the Kashmir Black Day. The demonstrations took place from 10 Downing Street to the Indian High Commission, where the participants called for the end to India's occupation. Rallies and conferences were also held in the major European cities including Oslo, Barcelona, Glasgow and Breslau. Cow vigilantes have now assaulted members of the Indian Sikh community in Mansa, Punjab, India. A Sikh truck driver transporting the cattle was brutally attacked by the vigilantes, who desecrated his turban and subjected him to the verbal abuse.